Okay, we will cover few more questions on averages. So almost we did 100 questions so far. Today I will deal with few more questions. So now the question is we have covered this type of model before also. What is the average of first 20 multipliers of first 20 natural numbers? Okay. See, is asking the average for first 20 natural numbers whenever they were multiplied with first 20 numbers. So they are also natural numbers only, but it's not given clearly in the question. See, what are the first 20 natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this till 20. So now you're not supposed to calculate the average of these 20 numbers. You need to multiply them. Each number should be multiplied with 1, 2, 3, like that till 20 numbers. So I'll see here 1 into 2, 1, sorry, 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4, like that, 1 into 20. So here you will get some numbers, some you will get. Then again go for 2. 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4 until 2 into 20. So 3 into 1, like that, 3 into 20. So till 20 numbers this should continue. So it should continue like this till 20. So till 20 numbers means, see, here if you come for the 20th number, 20 into 1, 20 into 2, like that, 20 into 20. See, their average. So their average means you have to add all of them, these 20 results, and again these 20, like that. Everything should be added and divided with number of terms you have. Okay. It is little lengthy, but you can apply one formula here. See, 1 into 1, 2 into 1, 3 into 1. See, you just only take this. In this, you can take one term common. What is that term? 1. If you take one common, then it will become 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till 20, right? Yes or no? Again, in this area, if you take 2 common, then it will become 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 20. So now you observe here, what is the sum of first 20 natural numbers? What is the formula for that? What is the formula for first 10 natural numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So for this, I am going to find the sum using this formula. Then it will become 20 into 21 by 2. This inside bracket value I got it as 20 into 21 by 2, that is nothing but 10 into 21, this is equal to 210. Now you got one thing. Okay. Now, but is it only one series we have? For 2 also there is one. So for 2 if I calculate, so now you got it as 210, and here also you will get 210, and for 3 also you will get 210, like that you will get. So again you need to add these things by taking 210 common till 20. So 210 I have taken common, then again 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 20. So for this also same formula, 20 into 21 by 2. So again it will be 210. So it is nothing but the product of 210 210 into 210 is the answer. Okay, 210 into 210 is the answer. So what is the value of 21 square? You can say 241, or you can verify it. See, this is nothing but 21 square into 100. 21 square you can calculate, if you remember it's okay, then otherwise you can 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 441. Okay, 441. Basically you need to remember the squares till 30. Okay, 21 square, 22 square, 23, everything you should be known. You can directly 44100 is the answer for this. Coming to the next question, what is the average of first 10 multipliers of first 30 natural numbers? So here you don't need to do the same thing what we did just before, because just take these two numbers. I just wanted to give you the shortcut on this. Take these two numbers, 10 into 10 plus 1 11 divided by 2 into 30 into 31 plus 1 divided by 2. So here you look at the previous question, what did you do? N into n plus 1 2, n plus 1 by 2. So 20 into 21 by 2, and here 20 into 21 by 2. You just multiplied both of them. Okay, isn't it? So that's what, same thing for your understanding. I explained all this, but directly you can write it as 10 into 11 by 2 and 30 into 31 by 2. So here you can cancel, don't cancel these things, because it will become complicated. So instead of doing that, you can do it, no problem. So 15 here 5 is 55 here, 55 into 15 into 31, 15 into 31. Or it would be, so just calculate it. So 550 here, 55 into 10, 550, and above that 250 to 75. So it will be 5, 12, 825 into 31. 825 into 30 you do first, then add 825 to that. Yeah. 2475 and add 825 to this. 10, 10, 13, 3300 is the answer. Okay, so sometimes I may commit mistake in calculating. Please correct me if I'm wrong. The comments, okay. But anyway, you know, right after multiplication, you just do it. So, what is the average of all the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 12? What is the average of all the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 12? See, he was just asking only about 3-digit numbers. So, what is the first 3-digit number? Tell me. 101. 100. 100 is the first digit number. What is the last one? 999. So you need to consider the values in between 100 and 999. Okay, now I'll do, what is the first number which is divisible by 12 that I need to find. For that, 12 8s are 96. What is the remainder for 100? 4. Okay, if I divide this 100 with 12, 12 8s are 96. I am going to get one remainder as 4. But 4 will be divisible by 12 completely? No. You add 8 to this 4. Then it will become 108. So 108 divided by 12 is 12 nines. Okay, so it means that 108 is the first number which is divisible by 12. If I consider the 3-digit numbers, the same way, divide 999 divided by 12. So you can apply this method for any for anything, like if in case of it is given as 15, just 100 divided by 15 you do, what is the remainder you are getting, and add some number to that so that it will be divisible by 15 completely. So do like this. for all the values which you come here, you're going to do the same method. So 12, 12 it's 96, again 39, 12, this is a 36, 3 is remaining. So 3 is the extra value I am getting. I will need to subtract it from 999 minus 3, so 996. So 996 is the value which is divisible by 12, and it is a 3-digit number. So the maximum 3-digit number which is divisible by 12 is 996, and the minimum 3-digit number which is divisible by 12 is 108. So now he is asking their average, not their average actually. So if you add 12, it will become 120, like that. You have to take all the numbers and you have to add them and divide with this the numbers which are available in that series. So but instead of doing that, we know, if we know the first term and the last term in arithmetic progression, if they are in arithmetic progression, and if you know the first term and the last term, you can find their average by adding them and dividing with 2. Okay, adding them and dividing with 2. So 108 plus 996 divided by 2. So if you add 4 to this, it will become 1000, and 1104 divided by 2. So 2 5s are 10, and 2 5s are 10 again, and 2 552. 552 is the answer for this. Okay. Next, what is the average of first 10 even numbers which are divisible by 2? What is the average of first 10 even numbers which are divisible by? Okay, what is the average of first 10 even numbers which are divisible by 9? Okay, what is the first even number? Tell me. 2. Second even number? 4, 6, like that. What is the 10th even number? 10. No, not 8, 10. So it would be 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, how you can get this? So if 2 is the first even number, multiply 2 with 10, then 20 will be the 10th even number. So but this is not the question he asked. He is asking average of first 10 even numbers, and it should be divisible by 9. It should not only be even number, it should also be divisible by 9. Okay, so now you find what is the first even number which is divisible by 9. How can you get it? Just multiply 2 with 9, 18. So 18 is the first even number which is divisible by 9. 9 to the 18. You cannot take 1 because 9 by 9 is also divisible, but it's not. 9 is not the even number, right? It's an odd number. So he's asking to take the even number. So that's why 18 will become the first even number which is divisible by 9. Okay. So then therefore it starts with 18, then 27, like that it will go. Then how to find the last number? Just multiply with 20 and 9. Just like how you multiply 2 with 9, multiply 20 with 9, then it will be 180. So the series will be like this: 18, 27, 36 until 180. So you need to add them up and divide them. 10. So instead of doing that, as they are in arithmetic progression, what is the difference? 9. In every term there will be 9 difference. So they are in arithmetic progression. If the terms are in arithmetic progression, you can directly add the first term and last term, divide with 2. 180, 198 divided by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18. 99 is the answer for this case. Next, if the average of 4 consecutive even numbers k, l, m, n is 65, then find the product of k and m. Okay, average of four consecutive even numbers. So they are the four consecutive even numbers. So consecutive even numbers means if k is the first term, then it will be k plus 2, k plus 4, k plus 6, like that it would be. But what he is asking, the average of four consecutive even numbers is 65. So k plus 6, it will be like this, okay? Find the product of k and m. So he's asking you to find product of k into k plus 6. So this is one thing, one strategy. But you see here, if the average is 65, the 65 should be in between. So somewhere here. So 65, if you add 1 to 65, it would be 66. If you subtract 1, it would be 64. So before that 62 should come and this is 68. Now you see the average of these four numbers will be 65 obviously. So when the average of even numbers is given, it means if you add 1 to that average, you will get the upper value, and if you subtract 1, then you will get the lower value to that. Okay. Now you see, he was just asking you to multiply 62 and 68. So whatever the value you are going to get, so that is the answer. So 68 and 62. Sorry. So 48, 6, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 6. 4, 2, 1, 6 is the answer. Okay, the average of five consecutive numbers which starts with m is n. Then what is the average of six consecutive numbers which starts with m plus 2 is asking. Okay, so now the what is the first term? There are five consecutive numbers. Consecutive means one after other it comes. So 2, 3, 4 are the consecutive. 6, 7, 8 the same way. So there is a sequence. The average of five consecutive numbers which start with m is given. So m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3 and m plus 4. So their average is given as n. Average is nothing but the middle term. So n. So n is equal to m plus 2 it is given. Now he is asking what is the average of six consecutive numbers which starts with m plus 2. Starts with m plus 2 means m plus 2, m plus 4, m plus 6, m plus 8, m plus 10. Okay, and the last term is m plus 12. So what would be their average? So the average will be m plus 6 plus m plus 8 divided by 2. But you know, from this m is equals to n minus 2. So substitute m with n minus 2. So n minus 2 plus 6 plus n minus 2 plus 8 divided by 2. So it would be 2n minus 4 plus 8 plus 4, that's 2n plus 10 divided by 2. So it will be n plus 5. This is the answer. So K, L, M and O, P, Q are the consecutive even numbers. F, G, H, I, J are the consecutive odd numbers. Then find the average of the all the numbers together. See, K, L, M and O, P, Q are the consecutive even numbers. It told. So if they are consecutive even numbers, then what would be their average? K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Okay. So their average, so there are 7 numbers, so their average is n. And F, G, H, I, J are the consecutive odd numbers. Then find the average of the all the numbers. So if you take F, G, H, I, J, then their average is H. Okay. It means that if you add them and divide with 7, so now based on this, I'll do one thing. K plus L plus M plus N O plus P plus Q divided by 7 will become equal to N only. Okay. From this, you can find some of these 7 numbers. So these 7 numbers will be equal to 7. The same way for this also, if you do, so F plus G plus H plus I plus J divided by 5 is equal to H. So now then F plus G plus H plus I plus J will be equal to 5H. So 7N and 5H are their sum. So it means that their entire average will become like this. 7N plus 5H divided by 12. Why 12? There are 12 numbers. So this is the answer. These are simple questions only, but just for practice I am making it. So almost we covered many types of models, but practice is also needed. So if you solve from small, basic to advanced level, all types of models, then your speed will increase. The next question. The average of n numbers is k if the first number increases by 2, second number increases by 4, and third number by 8, and so on. Find the average of newly formed numbers. Okay, so the average of n numbers is given as k. Okay, the average of n numbers is given as k. If the first number increases by 2, second number increases by 4, third number by 8, like that it will increase to n numbers. So the average for first 10 numbers is k already, but when we are increasing, so the values are increasing like this. So see, observe, if you observe, they are like 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, so 2 power, and like that it will be. They are in harmonic progression. Harmonic, so not harmonic, geometric progression. They are in geometric progression with R value. R is nothing but in geometric progression T2 by T1. Second term by third term. So 2 power 2 by 2 power 1. So it is nothing but 2. So 2 is the R value. Now, what is the formula for the summation geometric progression, a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. So this is equals to 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So it would be 2 into 2 power n minus 1. But here there is one more term, that is k. So the average, see, average for the increased values is given as 2 into 2 power n minus 1. But already existing average is k. K plus 2 into 2 power n minus 1 is the answer. Okay, that is the answer. So next question. If the average of ABC is m and AB plus BC plus CA is equals to 0, then find the average of A square, B square, C square. So if the average of ABC is m, ABC average is given. So it means A plus B plus C divided by 3 is equals to m given. Then from this A plus B plus C is equal to 3m. Find the average of A square plus B square plus C square. See, A square plus B square plus C square average is nothing but divided by 3. So this value is asking. How to find this value? But we know one thing. A square plus B square plus C square can be written in terms of A plus B whole square. See, A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. See, if I split A plus B plus C whole square, what is the formula for A plus B plus C whole square? A square, see I am writing it here. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Okay? Now, if I write this formula here, then this one and this one gets cancelled, then A square plus B square plus C square will be remaining. Listen. So now therefore, A square plus B square plus C square can be written as A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus C. But A plus B plus C value I know, that is 3m. 3m whole square minus 2 into, there is one more hint given, AB plus BC plus CA is equals to 0. So if it is 0, then this will be 0. So this is equals to 3 square m square nothing but 9m square. 9m square is A square plus B square plus C square value. But they are asking the average value. So average is nothing but sum divided by total numbers, right? So nothing but A square plus B square plus C square divided by 3. But I know this value as 9m square divided by 3. So this is 3m square is the answer. Next, what is the geometric mean of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 until 2 power n? See, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 till 2 power n. See, this 2, 1 can be written as 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, like that it is going, 2 power n. So they are in geometric progression. We need the mean. So first you find out their sum, and then divide with n. Then you will get the mean value. So how to find this sum? There is a formula, a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. This is if r is less than 1. No, see, if r is not less than 1, if r is greater than 1. Then what is the formula if r is less than 1? What is the formula? A into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. Just reverse, multiply with minus. The numerator and denominator will get the answer. Okay. So these two are the formulas. If r is less than 1, this is the formula you need to use. R is greater than 1, use this. So here, how to find r? How to find r means divide this with this, or divide this with this, or divide this with this. Just T2 by T1, or T3 by T2, or T4 by T3. You do anything, you will get the same value. So in this case, 2 square by 2, this is nothing but 2. This is the r value. So then sum equal to a is what? A is 2 power 0. A into r to the power of n. 2 power n minus 1 by r minus 1. 2 minus 1. So this is equals to 2 power n minus 1. But you need the average. So average formula we know. Sum divided by total numbers. Total number of numbers. So this is equals to 2 power n minus 1 by n. Okay. So probably I'll take one class more on averages, then I'll start with other topic. So please let me know which topic you want in the comments so that I'll start that. If nobody tells which topic you want, then I'll do with the topic I like, okay? Or the topic which is more important. Please subscribe and like the channel, like the video if you like it, so that it will reach many people. If you like it, it will reach as per algorithm of YouTube. If you don't like it, won't reach. And if you want all the aptitude classes and reasoning classes, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.